grammar books. You've watched hundreds of videos, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. What if I told you one small daily habit changed everything for a boy who couldn't speak a single English sentences? So, stay with me because this story might just be your turning point. A young boy, Aman, in his room, staring blankly at an English textbook. Aman lived in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. He was smart, curious, and full of dreams. But there was one problem, that he couldn't speak English. He avoided speaking in class. He skipped job interviews. He even missed his best friend's wedding because the people there only spoke English. Aman didn't feel dumb. He felt locked inside his own silence. Aman on his old phone watching a short English conversation. One night he stumbled on a short video. Repeat after me. My name is Sam. I am learning English. Something clicked. He paused, replayed, and repeated again and again. Every morning he began doing just one thing. First, listen, repeating English sentences out loud. Day 1, he said 5 lines. Day 5, he said 50 lines. Day 30, he was speaking in complete sentences. That's it. No grammar obsession, no complex vocabulary, just copy, speak, and repeat. Aman walking and speaking to himself in English. Aman didn't just practice at home, he spoke while brushing his teeth, while walking to school, while feeding his cows. He joined a free English WhatsApp group. He recorded 1-minute audios daily. At first, people laughed, but then they listened, they clapped. Some even said, "You speak better than my college professor." Aman giving a speech at a local event in English. A year later, Aman was invited to speak at a youth event. He grabbed the mic and said, "Hello everyone, my name is Aman. I'm from a small village, but today I stand here because I chose to speak, even when I was scared." The crowd rose in applause. His parents had tears in their eyes. He wasn't perfect, but he was powerful. So, you don't need to master English. You need to practice speaking like Aman. So here's the easiest way to learn spoken English. First, listen. Second, repeat. Speak out loud every single day. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life. Comment below. I will speak every day. And if you want real English speaking practice, partner, check the description, join our speaking group with very minimal fee. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's scared to speak. And remember, your fluency starts now, and you have to do that. Not when you're ready, but when you begin. Thank you so much. See you with another video.